Today we'll look at how to create this easy product display animation using Canva. I've taken the liberty to set the products on our design page. These are Tumblr mockups I designed. So the first thing we want to do is to click R on our keyboard to bring out the rectangle shape. I will take out the transparency. We'll be adding that, attaching that to our product so that when we move it out of the design page, it does not get lost in the process. We'll duplicate it and paste it on the second design. You see what Canva does here? The Canva AI tool now helps us to duplicate what we want to do. We will group the shapes to each of our Tumblr. Let's move the two tumblers at the side a little bit up, and let's go duplicate this page. On this page, we will send each of the tumblers to go up out of the design page. You see, the attached shapes is what is holding our tumbler from disappearing from the page. Let's duplicate the first page again, and this time around let's go over to the next page that we duplicated and send the tumblers to the side. We'll be rotating that a bit, and we'll send the center tumbler downwards and rotate it clockwise, and we'll send the tumbler to the right side and rotate it anti-clockwise. Let's duplicate the first page again and select the three tumblers and go over to position and position them to the center and move the center tumbler to go up, which is the one that is with the face, and we'll go over to the design page and scale down the size of the tumbler. Let's drag and position the tumbler at the center of the page where we want it to be. We'll go back to the first page and duplicate it again. This time around we'll select all the tumblers and position it to the bottom. This way we have our 5 pages ready. We'll start moving them around the way we want them to come in. So we want the tumblers coming from the top to be the first one, and the second page will be the page where we have the tumblers all aligned to the bottom. The third page will have the tumblers that went to the side, and the fourth page will be the smaller tumbler will resize down, while the fifth page will be the tumbler will spread out. Let's hover in between the two pages and go over to transition and apply match and move. We'll take the duration to the top and we'll apply it to all pages. Let's preview our design. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.